easy ways to cut back sugar. Now, this is a big topic because sugar is really the biggest culprit in obesity problems, right? Sugar is also the cause of a lot of disease. And ladies, it creates wrinkles on your skin. How bad is that? There are ways, really simple, easy ways that you can cut back sugar on a daily basis. Starting from detox your pantry. Go and have a look at your pantry. Anything that's got hidden sugar in the products that you have in your cupboard, right? Most of the sugar you can find in the pasta sauce or the cake mix, even the sauces, salad dressings, drinks like iced tea. Oh, the sugar in there, you wouldn't believe. And what about soda or cola or Coke? There's tons and tons of sugar in that. And according to the American Heart Association, the average American takes 22 teaspoons of sugar every day. And in Australia, we're not far behind it. See how terrible it is? And what they actually say is the recommended daily sugar intake for women, 6 teaspoons. And for men, 9 teaspoons. So how do you actually identify it and then cut back? First, you toss out all of those things that you find in your pantry that's got high sugar content. Don't worry about it. You can find substitutes. Okay? Second, watch what you drink. Right? If you're drinking a lot of soda or sports drinks, watch for that sugar. And even if you say, okay, I'm not drinking the soda, I'm not drinking Coke, I'm drinking fruit juice, even that, you need to read the label. Be a good detective. Have a look at the label. Check how high the sugar content in the ingredient list. Next, have a look at the health food packets that you bought, or even any kind of food. When the manufacturer produces those products, sugar is a way to maintain a good shelf life, but you don't want that. So be careful when you buy those processed food. Next, we're talking about substitute the sugar in your cooking or in your eating. What you need to do is use the natural food like the fresh dates or banana or apple. They will provide enough sweetness in your diet, in your cooking, in your baking, right? And especially if you do the roast veggies, it would actually bring out the natural sweetness of the vegetables. If you practice more and more, you will find out all of that sugar from the fruit and the veggies will be enough as a dessert for you. Give it a go and let me know how you go. And if you have any more questions, please comment below and let me know. I'd be quite happy to answer you. Okay? Until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.